closed down to the tunnel this morning. Our train's on time. It has dropped its fares by 33% from May and June departures. Fares so low, you can't not go. Fly Scoot, save loot. Ends Tuesday at flyscoot.com. 990 7000, the traffic hotline number. This is Sando on 104.9.
What could the grill town get for breakfast for only $2? A delicious Hungry Jack's bacon and egg brekkie muffin. Only $2 and only for a limited time. Eric and the Highway Patrol.
Today on the Highway Patrol, we're doing the show from the fishing capital of Australia, which gives me the chance to put as many fish as possible.
So, stick around, because you'll be hooked. You'll have a whale of a time. The show will be brimming with goodness. We're keeping it real. Yeah.
And one more fish just for the house.
But when you start thinking that you've got to have school friends around and
Buy the Ford Territory TX now and get 7 seats for the price of 5.
throwing the kids in the front room for bikes, the dog, everything, it's wonderful. And I mean, the front row seat to be able to carry additional bodies is definitely a big plus. I think it's a really good fit.
Ford Territory TX rear-wheel drive petrol with 3 third row seating. 38 kilometres. Recommended offer price. Accelerate.
Nice, very white, that's in, and it's a try.
That's when you feel one with it all. The road and be one with it. Official tyre of the NRL.
They say that everyone's good at something, but making something out of that thing is the tough part. If you know what you're good at, chances are you've turned it into a small business.
You're never against it, but your own boss lets you do what you do best. But that you may need help with other things from time to time. If you'd like to have a chat about the running of your business, call up Dad Business Back today on early 10
Moving house is hard. College is easy. Just college and confidence.
Solution for you. The world's #1 forklift brand with a massive range from pallet trucks, stackers and order pickers to their market-leading Toyota counterbalance forklifts. For new and used sales, short or long-term hire and all servicing, let Toyota handling talent a right forklift solution for your business. It's all part of the Toyota Advantage. Call 1-800-425-438 or hit toyotahandling.com.
7:24 on the grill team with Gus, MG and Matty. John's been across back to Turkey with Gus and MG in just a few minutes. But more with Ray Martin and Matty John's coming up in our Sydney studios. A massive story with some very big allegations about running into the NRL on the front page of the page. So we'll talk about that after a